Welcome to our channel. Today at Wholesale Supplies Plus, we're talking about why you need to be using DIY cleaning products. First, let's talk about the types of homemade cleansers you can make. There are so many options, so let's break them down. First is our most recent recipe, which is an all-purpose cleaning spray. It's perfect for countertops, tables, and other surfaces. A simple combination can clean most surfaces effectively. Number 2, a bathroom cleaner. We have a really great recipe for toilet tabs. Using baking soda and other household products work well on sinks, tubs, and toilets. If you're just looking for something that's disinfecting, combining rubbing alcohol with water and some of our best essential oils can give you a great solution. The second thing we'll go over is what to consider when picking ingredients. When choosing ingredients for your DIY cleaners, there's a few things to keep in mind, like effectiveness. Some natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils have natural cleaning properties. Vinegar is great for dissolving grime, while baking soda helps lift dirt and odors. Another thing to consider is safety. Always choose ingredients that are safe for your surfaces and the people that are in your home. For example, never use vinegar on marble or granite. It can damage the stone. And last, sustainability. Look for ingredients that are eco-friendly and biodegradable. This helps reduce your environmental impact while keeping your home clean. Now, a question that we get often when making DIY cleaning products is, do you need a preservative? The answer depends on the ingredients you're using and how long you plan to store the product. For example, if your cleaner contains water, it's best to use a preservative to prevent bacterial growth, especially if you plan on storing it for more than a couple of weeks. You can shop these on our website. Non-water-based cleaners, which use a base like alcohol, preservatives aren't necessary because alcohol prevents microbial growth. And lastly is the shelf life. If you're not using a preservative, aim to make small batches so that you can use it up within a few weeks to avoid any issues. Next, let's talk about top essential oils to choose from. Essential oils are a great addition to your DIY cleaners, not only for their pleasant scent, but also for their antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Here are some of our top recommendations. Tea tree oil, known for its strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, it's perfect for disinfecting surfaces. Lavender oil is calming, and it's also known to have antifungal and antibacterial benefit. Lemon oil is not only great for cutting through grease, but it's known to have natural antiseptic properties. Peppermint oil is refreshing and energizing, but it's also known to deter pests and has antibacterial properties. Last but not least, eucalyptus oil is known for its antiviral and antibacterial properties. It's great for creating a fresh, clean environment. Now let's talk about packaging. When you're storing your homemade cleaners, there are a few things to keep in mind. You want to make sure you're using glass or plastic bottles. These are non-reactive and will preserve the quality of your cleaner without leaching the chemicals. We cannot stress this enough. Make sure you're labeling everything. Always label your bottles with the ingredients used and the date it was made. This helps to keep track of freshness. The container you choose to keep your product in should be based off what the product is. For an all-purpose window cleaner, opt for spray bottles. For a thicker paste and scrubs, opt for mason jars or squeeze bottles. Now for essential oils, you want to store them in a dark container. Essential oils can break down in direct sunlight, so opt for an opaque or dark-colored bottle to protect them. Last but not least, let's talk about other storage and safety recommendations. Make sure you're always storing your products in a cool, dark place. Keeping your cleaning products away from direct sunlight and heat maintains their potency and freshness. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Always store cleaning products in a safe, secure place to avoid any accidents. And make sure you're always using gloves when handling. Some essential oils like tea tree or eucalyptus can be irritating to the skin, so consider using gloves when mixing your cleaners, or even using them. And as always, make sure to test your products. Test, test, test. Always test your DIY cleaner on a small, inconspicuous area before using it on a larger surface to ensure it doesn't cause any damage. And there you have it. Making your own DIY cleaning products is not only fun and satisfying, but also an eco-friendly and effective way to keep your home clean. By choosing the right ingredients, using essential oils, and storing your cleaners safely, you'll always be on your way to a cleaner, greener home. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Happy cleaning!